Are they ahead of? Let me tell you, this was the call they did today. Can play child. Hold on. When I go see something. She want to push me.
This call was made. It's not great. Something Mama so now. People know so very well. You know, but this thing, when you have to put a thing, Yama so look at it.
They give me 24 hours to reveal my identity. I want to reveal my identity. I go bring out all information about Abada. I want to know Abada my sponsor. And I've been chatting with Abada on the phone. Who can know their way? How that anybody DM? I don't know. This last one, who I got Abada Ghana listen. When I don't push me now. Thank God say this girl come do saga. I told you before that I don't have anything with this girl. More rejoin nigga. Man on life and ordinary. Watch ya. If you can fake account cigars. Man on life and ordinary. I don't lose evil. Jesus. More. I talk him. Because I'm up on the other day. One woman who favorite Abada, she slid to my DM. I was on my own. I go screenshot the chats. I go post them. Because they don't want Abada to be exposed. This woman slide down on my DM. Slide down on my DM. God in heaven knows. Seems that she wants to applaud me. God in heaven, if you did not bring my identity from now till tomorrow, Abada will go down. I don't want this girl. Ada, sweet baby para this afternoon. Remember you send it to me, Ada. Ada, remember you send it to me, Ada. See baby's niece na porogina phone, Ada. Ada, obodo Igbo. Ada, I warn you that this girl, I don't have anything to do with this girl. This girl was once Ijele moderator, peace of mind. Oh, when did this girl on a page Ijele na parim? One piece of mind. The next no got change ya fire. I told you, Ada. It seemed no moderator Ijele. Ada nkatani neguna this girl para. Adi send me a conny send me. I told you this piece of mind is one of Ijele moderator. Only what the Charlotte. Go down, I don't know who is this. Antioga Biagona that live more than here. I listen to Antioga. Ugobeza Biago Kwoku, I listen to her. But you see that piece of mind that I did not mention her name. I don't want her. Beauty, you join her as what? I block you. Ada the bad. Or more betrayers, you go cry. You don't know say I don't finish my mission. I don't finish my mission. Biko na onwe onye otu Abada mmili onwe onye otu Abada bịara ebe a ọ bụ na eji m ọnụ m gwa mmadụ na inyere m ego post it ịchọka screenshot o chat mụ na that woman post o anọkwa m that woman dere m na my DM Chineke nna biko ụkwa na-asị ka m na-asị adaọlụ ịma nwenata udo na ndụ gị Open when anybody correct anything, you know go see better. Adolu, wait, Okisieme. That lady who a fan of Abada, also not sure he send Rimego personally from her own pockets. I know Sabila yo. I'll screenshot our chats. Amaroma Siasi. Sweet Choco.
So.
You know, here I'm to go to I was
Okay.
on my own that day. Let me tell you people, when I know they understand. But if you people keep pushing me, a lot will go wrong. I know this lady slide into my DM. Always not something to appreciate me. I have tried, I have fought. Oh no, I can't say my allegation is screenshots on post. So sweet baby, I damn you. Post on yes, but na DM ya say na danyere mego. Agwa ngi okwu na gị na-aga very far. Post onye mbago na DM ya say na adanyere mego. The woman be the Charamo, you guys should listen. I know this woman is what she thought maybe that I'll send her like I freeze my account. And the day made a birthday, account age me charity was that very day. 1 million actual me charity. The girl na ofonu ka the girl na akọ oda omara akọ onu akọrọ m ka ọ na-repeat. And racing needed that engagement. I dropped. Adolo, Ada, how many times did I call you? Wait for me. Adolo, Ada, Okiseme. The guys na Adolo snampori on the phone. I tell you, say now from this saga now, you see as this saga take open your nyash again. Ejide gongi. Whatever you want to block, go and block it, but it's already too late. It's so late. It's so late. It's too late, baby girl. Che. Ego mother at home. Che. You want to buy because of Abada? Adolo. I didn't ask Adolo for money. I didn't ask Adolo for money. Let me make it clear. Oh, well, one woman now supports Abada. Show me boy alpha. The woman slide into my DM. I want to chase screenshots on post, but I don't want to post because I respect that woman. The woman seems that she wants to give me money. You people should listen. She wants to give me money. I know they lie. If the woman said I'm lying, let me end this live. Wait, Petacha the voice note. I'll play it. She wants to give me money to appreciate me. That I am a fighter. I fought so well. Even she, hey, what lie? I never for one day. I know Nadia Mumwada. Your way go. I won't block this vagabond. I try me block one. Adolo, oh now you, make I block you. Make I block you now. I've blocked you. Jesus. You see what this saga do you now? You see what this saga do you? Adolo. I am giving you people fucking 24 hours to prove everything you have. If you did not prove, I proceed. Hey, Auntie Ogi said something I picked the point. I left. Racing na nụrụ abada ọgụ. Racing maka abada ị ga-aga nga. Na abada mata ka ị ga-eji jeketa okwu petition. No, 24 hours no longer. Until oge anọrọ life. Ọ bụ na ọ nọ life na ka m gwa ihe m chọrọ igwe ya. Ọ bụ na until oge nọ life, onye dị nke a. I won't block all of them. Maka achọrọ m play that voice note. This girl. Otego na-ede gị ka ịbata ka nso ogu block. I don't block you. Oya, come on yalla. Ozu. Adolu, the number unu jigodo. Ọ bụrụ the main number. You dey play, you dey show, you dey play, you dey show. Oh, Chukwu. Chukwu mekwara m nke mbụ. She dey talk with the girl, they pretend, they record them and say, see you are that. That format don't cast. We make one see nke abụọ. O mekwara m nke atọ. We mekwara m nke anọ. We mekwasị nke abụọ. O mekwara m nke abụọ. And I don't tell you, say, ịmara onye mbụ. I'm a spiritualist. You don't go fit by me. Ịmakwa ihe mbụ. Ada, a woman na-ekpeche ekpere, ana m ekpeche ekpere. A sị na nwaanyị ada awụ ọjị, ada na m awụ ọjị. Ada, 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 hey! They didn't send the ijele ego. I called and often on God they post to get it all magasaga about our cost sheets. Ozo not with Nkem, only Nkem keep with. I know a lot of you that comes out here with your fake account. This is the reason why I don't trust any of you. Adana Azabad, Iga Bime, you go inside. Fuck you. Ibarime one day go buy me. Everyone must go down. Hey, Moods, anime koku. Everyone must go. What the fuck is this? Who's to 24 hours can nenegi? If you did not reveal my identity, Abada will go in for it. I warn you people. So I was on my own. No, this woman is a big fan. No, I want them to reveal my identity. I can do anything now for them to reveal it. Adamucho, I was on my own. If I discuss anything with anybody in a DM, the last thing I will do is to slide into people's DM. Ada, if una not pay for this damage, a lot go wrong. Now me personally go call Abuja, they go petition Abada. Adolu nyere Abada 450,000. So Abada no Adolu. You want to go down, Abi? You want problem? I told this girl, I don't for peace talk. Antioge agwagom oku. I respect Antioge. Ugubeza agwagom oku. I respected her. This girl is not Adolu Snamu Aporia this afternoon. Yes, Aporoma Adolu. Any other thing to say? Bring it on. Una makwiye. Chineke pogo ku pretty. Boy pressing bugote daga obera saga ke hi kwuru. Ke hi kwuru. They brought that girl, I left. I don't block you. Seba po, I block gongo. Chineke bronne gono. I don't block you. Go and die. Yes, she gave Abada money. You want any other updates? You want me to reveal her? What is all this? Abada de Sonya de Niego. And so Gabiago see, I know in Port Harcourt. Naime cannot say they don't know anything about me. I don't stay in Port Harcourt. A bit on Port Harcourt, a bit to be in Port Harcourt. I base abroad. When the guys stand on port, can't you matter no matter on Yembo and on port. That girl is walking with Ijele, that big baby. Oh, sorrow. My DM Jureju. That girl was one of Ijele moderator. Her name is Peace of Mind. No one would have phone as well. Her first name was Peace of Mind. I'm that girl. All this same that's him now. Her first name was Peace of Mind. See, I'm not that girl out there, Kenny. I had that to porn. The same guys now Mary Jelle fake a lot. Modesta Day was on a block home here. The same girl who's now Mary Jelle fake a lot. Where say I know? And me Jelle fake a lot. Yes, she did not change to Sweet Baby. She has been an instigator, but she has been communicating with her doll. As the girl be our one saga. Can you put any was for a doll on Abada? Mother, they go home, sim na that girl can get kumo. No, ever anywhere, no, wagote. A doll, no, no. Maybe you make I tell you, can was you know. Make I tell you what you know. Which amateur go now here game. The other day, no, even no. I know they were going to send you, Manasibu no ya through me. I know it can never come through me. But when you're phone no na chat, oh yeah, put out there I love about that teaching. Chena go ni ako. Yogi. Oh yeah, put out say I love about that teaching. Ichena yana about that ko. Una no get sense. Yeah, put that here momego. Ada is communicating with them. Ada is communicating with them. Yeah, Ada is communicating with those guests. She's not communicating with me. Hey, I don't block him. Fuck. Miri. Go see some miri. Let me tell you, that girl. That Peace of Mind was ex-Ijele moderator. I trust Adolu. I no go lie. You see why I know they trust? I trust that Adolu. That girl ekubugo yo kureba and see Adolu. Cause Adolu. Uborone kamporogi. Ochiku si I get ben arusi. Kaiga na arusi, kaiga go do spiritual. Adolu ejim picture gi. Ejim picture one negu one. Ngwaputazie kai one saga. Ogwebe lugo na mbawu. Is this how you behave? Imagine where's the beats. Eberima. You were the same people that came and told me that support Abada. Now yeni ne han church or kane ego that they are all after money. I know that Sweet Baby was never with us. That Sweet Baby came to my DM. That she hold there. I ignored her. I not reply am. Ofuye kan dere are apoeba one. Is that they don't use you? I don't sweet baby call Guinness na muna get bara na phone. Ngwa bia gwa ihe ikpara. Eji unu jide abada ga provide adolu. Is a little expo kan nyere unu. Abatam na that life. What these people say, Anna, I told them that girl. That girl is not real. I don't want that girl. The same girl is not supposed to katara Bibi Kobana support one Kem Losh. Mwa kanji mata no nya wonye nkonuko. Wait, I go play all the voice notes. Okwaguna the girl barata. I go play them now. When Jimata na that motherfucker, that vagabond don't know me, what's name no Port Harcourt in Silele. So this was how it happened. Oh, that woman is a fan of Abada. Because that's no job na anya egbuge kwuru obia derem. Odecharam no way go chori nye m nkewa no na yom. She's giving me that money personally from her pocket. She don't want anyone to know blah 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 blah. And say no problem. I have this account number in Jeme Charity where because every month I dey sow my seed. Una no go fit buy me. How want mami water? I believe in nature. Where that account number near? Or where that money? Or send you like I don't want to go far. When I go come out confess. I told Racing, there. When they are there, they were not there. Oh. Racing from change a topic, Racing for one also change a topic, any man a racing, a mamma boko. Racing for one also change a topic, we go tezi. What racing say, become a man on a bar. I no go fit, I don't want this girl here. She's fake. I see that girl, she should keep on triggering me. Can't call you Masara about that. But I don't know the girl, mom. The girl, I'm marom. Her name is Peace of Mind. I didn't able to say on my board. My phone when one ever on a call on a cockroach on God post one on a page on God. On God they post to go that vagabond. Kita on us now that's na more about on a phone. So Peace of Mind even one other. Eji de hana give peace of mind. Eji de hana peace of mind. Not get provide that all. You they play now extra they give them. See me see wahala. Abada fans. It's not Abada fans. She's not Oya Abura Abada fans. It's not Abada fans.
It's not Abada fans. Let me talk. So going ask now about what going to fan. So let me talk, please. So calm down. You know your sister Ogechi Guarave. Before it, because many people never have been to get on a check.
Don't say that in the motherfucking chat, nigga. You don't tell me shit on what to do. You saw what happened there. Are you blind? Have you lost your senses? You saw what happened there. You don't know me. You don't say what you don't know. I came to that live stream. I told Racing I don't want that lady. I never mentioned that motherfuckers for them to understand. Jigoro bleaching, we paint here, we black and blue. That Peace of Mind will ex-moderate jelly. Adolo. 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 Antioge came there. Queens of all Queen came there. Ogwagom Okwanugom. Ugebe na aja agwago m okwu anụgo m. This girl is just that she wants to talk. She wants to talk. Who send them? Who send them to talk? Agwami okwu amamonyo owu. See na Adolu gwara ya na mkpọrọ ya na phone this afternoon. Una dey hear am? Na Adolu si na mkpọrọ ya na phone this afternoon. The stupid guys na ụmụ onye mbụ na nọ na port. You have to reveal my identity within 24 hours. Because if you didn't do that, a lot will go wrong. Oh, immediately I left, they begin to hate her. I leave my mark up on my own life. Race ne make you go life, yeah? After this life, I block racing. I don't know, I mean, don't know me. Racing don't close the life. The hell I make you post my identity now. Post my identity. My block race no. Abada gedu ba race nanga. Abada gedu ba race nanga. He's not insulting me. If he's insulting me, come up and play his live stream. And I'm a full live stream here with another page. Nekwenye ada na ada ge barata. That girl no be Abada fan. That girl aburo fan about other wapu saga. Peace of mind. Go see any saga peace of mind Mwagoro. Play one screen record of saga peace of mind Mwagoro. After all peace of mind. Show me one place peace of mind Mwagoro saga. Oh, he changed the moment I left. That girl is Ijele ex-moderator.
People, sweet baby people. I like him quite a Pokemon for saying so simple. Okay, when you got the
Sweet baby, I challenge you on his number na DM, yeah? Screenshots all your posts, so me enter person DM. Me enter person DM. Me enter person DM. I know they try am. I don't know when I go send Abada back to prison. And he go down day late. I know say Abada don't send race to me. Racing up, I get a petition here very soon. My piano kungwarage. And when time. I don't know how far now. Peace of mind was Ijele ex-moderator. I know that girl. Oh, what did they know life? Mother Simna. Oh, what did they know life? Mother Simna. Eh? I block go my door. Let's go me a block. You can't a format. I don't block him. I don't block him. If you get my number, poster. If you get my picture, poster. That one fit talk. That That one where Chinemerem they deal with. That one where Chinemerem and play with they deal with. But she don't know what they plan for. They not go pay money. Who be this? Leave them. Diamond, happy. You might not do your work, Samere, Ojiganga. Leave them. Oh, that's important, but I say I should do my worst. Now do your work, stand down for state CID Enugu. 1 week, prison 1 week. Do your worst. Please, you guys should tap on your screen. When I have football, bara. Relax. The real thing will happen. Make she chill. She already they learn in the hard way. Oh. She already they learn in the hard way. Hey, Adolo. You don't know, sir, they smart. When that lady was chatting me that she wanted to send me money, she don't want people to know. And she don't want Abada to know. She don't want everyone. I know what you guys were up to. I give them account where they use do charity. I give her that account. You know, send her for that account, you can send and give her $1. But they mad, you know. Okay, Chukwu Ogini. Hey, Omo, where that phone?
I like him so that people will not see that he maybe is. Let me tell you nothing but the truth. I was going to say because I got watch over there. Do you understand? I think I'm no, she can report case with these people. Anything even that that's also on social media. So if there's not lost over there, I didn't give these people with you. I'm just not right. And then this thing. You go to the number, get paying them the most. Get matter now for that all the same thing. Get matter now for that because I go to get them out of their life soon after. Now comment say, don't talk about what
Now this girl go put Abada for trouble. So that woman now came. Let me tell you, I been very smart too. I don't want to mention that woman's name. Osem no chori nye me go. But I know say they like post chats. And I go post chats. But I know say they like post chats. And they like post chat because I hate allegation and I sin. This girl say Ada number and a DM mmadụ. Say na ya nwa Ada nyere m ego. Ada did not give me money. Oh. Ada did not give me money. So the person now requested that I should send account number. She said she's giving me money out of her mind. Ah, God. Why are they not telling them the truth? Mute your mic, mute your mic. Why are they not telling them the truth? Why is Ada lying? Everything Ada with Nda na Agwam, I'm aware. So most of the times I keep telling her I don't communicate with any of these people because I don't trust them. Nda and the refugees and the Pharisees. Obogume ọkwa gị gbara ndị iro m vam n'anya fakpaba nkata kpasịa. You say you get my number, post them. You say you know me, post them. Hey, Ado, onye oshi ijele kpọrọ gị ọkụ ihe iwu ekperima. Afọ m mgbe dis ga-agwago gị na mụ na dis girl enwere okwu. Resis na Abada gwa ha gbagharịa saga. Na Abada si na ọgwa ha gbagharịa saga. The God Abada na-asị m do your worst. Abada onye oshi. A murderer. Abada nwaanyị ọrụ mmiri. Onwe ihe ime nwere Freda. Ọ bụrụ m nwa ka ị ga-emenwu ihe. You will go down. Anụ ọhịa dere Freda petition na Anambra State. Ma hapụ gị ike na apa. Ọ kwesị m do your worst. Mgbe a kpọrọ goro esi wepụta ego tinyere n'akpa. Mmiri no, mmiri no, mmiri no, mmiri no. I'm going to go comment section. Okay, Chukwu, what do you have to say? If you quick mood, I put song in a app. Or more. Every month I be stupid here and I say, boss na no Port Harcourt. Nse wo, oya amado nyembo. No Port Harcourt can you?
So good evening.
Good evening.
I don't want me. Yeah, sorry, I don't want me to do anything though, but the only thing this particular comment, this particular person comment, I don't know why people are just bringing cost to themselves. Like the person comments and
No,
say that
stop
now,
that.
but
Stop.
say
Bam, 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 bam,
no,
bam.
no, no, no.
Hey,
If
hey,
you
hello.
no, no, if you want to bring me down, fine, no problem.
Why you go down because achọrọ m okwu maka mgbe a na-agbasa gị bịara ode. Gbada o.
No problem.
No problem,
Yeah,
gbada.
no problem. Yeah. Thank you.
Go down biko. Bringing cost to themselves na gịnị mere? Unu ekpuduru isi. Unu ada afụ ụzọ. Nwere anyị ime mmụọ.
No, because she did not say it now.
Ịmakwa the spirit control physical. Ị nwere anyị ime mmụọ. Na ntị oge pụtara kwuo okwu gobe eze kwuo okwu. Mgbanazi achọ m ibe anything with this girl. Ada each time I comment Ada sị na ọ bụrụ ndị otu Abada. Onye si na comment ndị otu Gentle G. How can you see the truth and you keep on hiding the truth? In a cousin, you remember before we were life racing, I was the first person that went there. I didn't like we go live for that boy. Mbago there no dey. Kan kwuo okwu anti oge bịa. Kan ti oge bịa chara ugobe eze bịa. I kwucho okwu. Nsi anti oge thank you na ma anugo. That same particular guy, Mami Ocho, reveal my identity. I'm giving you 24 hours. If not that, a lot will go down. Now you open actually me ya biko. Enough is enough. What is this? Why can't they let me be? I don't want to hear from that girl. They go there Abadon Hure. Abadon mad. You don't know Abada. If you know Abada, you go succumb. You don't know her. The spirit control physical. You don't even know Adolu. Adolu is even worse than Abada. Jesus. Borino Kambaria. Ayana no bochinano. Oplo Guamanle. Omo. Una. Hey. Abuna woman ka ego Adolu nyere Abada. Abada ga like ya. Abada no dey go where she no dey benefit anything. No, come make you talk. Come make you support your mama. Biano now. Immediately, the morning I happened that live stream, I left. People left the live stream. First person left, second, third, fourth, fifth. Of course, someone had that girl, happy about one. Makada girl ways. Hey, dear. Come block, go there. And on the page, got what saga. Check out block all this girl, I'm a chocobo. And on the page, got what saga. On hure. When na bara about that saga, you're tired. You went so do go. When na bara. I block go me.